What's the meaning of chronology? Chronology. Chronology.
Chronology. Chronology. Chronology refers to the arrangement of events in their order of occurrence over time. It is a field of study that helps us understand past events, history, and timelines of specific periods. The chronological order of events allows us to see how things progressed or developed and how they relate to one another. By creating a chronology, we can gain a better understanding of the context and significance of historical events. Chronology is an essential tool for historians, archaeologists, and researchers who study past events and aim to reconstruct historical narratives.